Hello friend, welcome to AutoCAD tutorial. Today video I'm going to show you how to draw circle in AutoCAD. So alright, first we go to draw menu and select center and radius. Okay, we click on here. So on the screen we click on the first point and move the mouse right. And now we input 50 and then press enter. Okay, now our circle radius is 50, so we need to check the dimension. Okay, click 1 and move. So, okay, now the radius is 50, so let's change the color to be yellow. Okay, press escape to release the command. Alright, so we continue to draw one more circle. So now we go to draw menu again and select this one, center. So now we click the first point and move the mouse right and input 50 again and then press enter. Okay, now our circle diameter is 50, so let's check the dimension. Okay, change the color of dimension to be yellow. Alright. Okay, now we continue to draw one more circle. So we go to draw menu again and select 2 point diameter. So now we click on first point and move the mouse right, and now we input diameter is 100 and then press enter. Alright, now our circle diameter is 100. Let's check the dimension of the diameter. Alright, it is 100. Change the color to be yellow. Alright. So now we have 3 circles like this. So we go on to draw other circle option. So now we go into draw 3-point circle. So for the 3-point circle, we can draw object like this. Now we click one first point and move the mouse right and click the second point. And then we move the mouse up and click the third point. Okay, now we can draw the circle like this. Now we're going to move the object a little bit. Okay, now for the circle we can draw many options. So let's check the dimension again. It is 415, so we need to change the dimension color to be yellow. Alright, so we go on to draw the option of the circle. So we go to draw menu again and click on here and we select this option, turn and radius. Click on here. So now we're going to draw object by this point. So we click on the first point and we click on the second point on the other circle. So we click and then we move the mouse, we define the diameter of the circle. So we click on here and then we input 50 and then press enter. Okay, now our diameter is 50. We take reference from 2 circles. let's change the color to be yellow to be easy for reading. Alright, for the circle we can draw many objects like this. If we try to draw other options, so we go to circle option and then we select 10, 10 and 10, so we click on here. So now let's try to draw on from this reference. We select on the first point here and then we click on the second point here and then we click on third point here. Alright, so we can draw one more circle like this. So okay, let's check the dimension. Okay, the diameter of the circle is 120. Let's change the color of this dimension again. Okay. Alright, for the circle we can draw many objects like I showed you. So if you want to draw the circle, you can draw by yourself. So I hope you can do by yourself. So alright, that's it for my video. So I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and bye for now.